ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We have seen that Ekach Dhatus, Ekach Dhatus that is the Itagama from the perspective of the Dhatus and from the perspective of the Pratyayas. So Dhatu part is completed. Having completed Dhatu part, now the Pratyaya part. So we have seen that Ekach Dhatu, Anudata Dhatu, they are anit, will not take Itagama, bearing the Ukaranta Dhatu, Ritharanta Dhatu, and that Yotsyari Dhatu, that is Yu, Ru, Shnu, Shin, those dhatus, and Vrin and Vrinch accepting those dhatus, all the Ekachda, Anudata dhatu, accepting that all the other Ekach Anudata dhatu, they are anit iti. This is the dhatu. And Halanta dhatus, we have seen some 102 dhatus, the specific dhatus ending with kakara, takara, etc. Those dhatus, anit dhatu. And some weight dhatus also we have seen. That Swarat, Swarati, Suti, Suyati, those 5 dhatus, and Udit dhatus, and that is Radadi dhatus. If you remember, we have seen in the previous section, Radadi dhatu, Radhanash, etc. Those dhatus. Those dhatus are weight dhatus. Okay. So now, from the pratyaya standpoint, we are saying, and the utsarga is baladi ardhadhatuka pratyayas will take itagama. That is utsarga. These are the radhadaya dhatu, radhanash, trip, etc. Then ardhadhatuka valadi dhatu will take itagama. That is it. Utsarga general rule. Then among that, the pratyaya, we are seeing these pratyayas. Under this pratyaya, krit pratyayas, we are focusing now. That tak, tavatu, tva, tumun, tavya, etc. So when the trich pratyaya, trin pratyaya follows, what will happen that we have seen. Trich and trin is relatively simple. Isha, saha, lubha, rusha, risha. These dhatus, when followed by trich, the trich will take itagama optionally. Then tum pratyaya, the same, the 5 dhatus, followed by tum, will get itagama optionally. So trich, trin, and tumun over. Then tavya, that is kritya pratyaya, tavya, tavyat, the same 5 dhatus will take itagama when followed by the tavyat, when followed by tavyat, tavya pratyaya. This pratyaya for the 5 dhatus will take itagama. So up to this we have seen trich, trin, tumun, tavyat, and tavya. Accepting these 5 dhatus, ish, sakh, lub, rush, and rish. These 5 dhatus will take itagama optionally. All the other dhatus, if it is a said dhatu, followed by this pratyaya, will take itagama, nityam bhavati. That is the sara we have seen. Up to this we have seen, I think. Then tva pratyaya, when tva pratyaya follows, what will happen? I think we have to start from here. Have you seen tva pratyaya also? I think we have seen tva also, I think.
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, Ji.
From
From Nishtha pratyaya, I think we have to see.
From 27 page number, Halanta Dhatu.
Yes.
Yeah, from Halanta we have to see.
In this this Nishtha pratyaya, Akta Tavatu pratyaya, and Tva pratyaya, you have to note this is important rule. Shriyutaha kiti. The Shri dhatu and Uk anta dhatu. Uk anta dhatu is ukaranta, ukaranta, rikaranta, rikharanta. When followed by kit pratyaya, it na bhavati. This negates the itvam to the pratyaya. Even though the dhatus are said dhatu and the pratyayas are valadi, but if it is pratyayas are kit pratyaya, then itagama is negated. So one of the important apavada. Utsarga is valadi ardhataka hit. And apavada, important apavada is Shri dhatu and Ukanta dhatu followed by kit pratyaya, itagama is negated. Important apavada. Number apavada we saw, that is krit pratyaya beginning with vash pratyahara, itagama is negated. Na it vashikriti. That is also one apavada. Okay, then we have seen all this. This is for the tva pratyaya. Ajanta dhatu jaha parasya tva pratyasya shvi, ding, shing, and jru dhatu nityam it bhavati. Whereas for pung dhatu, it is optional by pungascha. and other dhatu will not take it agama. Tva pratyaya is kit pratyaya. So these four dhatus, shvi, ding, shing, and jru dhatu will take it agama mandatorily. Pung dhatu is optional. Other dhatus will not take it agama. Then halantebhyaha dhatubhyaha tva pratyasya. Here what happens? We saw anch dhatu, pujarate anch dhatu, then overschu dhatu, then these two dhatus, vasu, vasdhatu, and kshud dhatu. Anitaha nityam. So anch dhatu will be optionally it when followed with tva pratyaya. Similarly, vrascha dhatu is, it is vetaha nityam. That anch dhatu which is weight will get itagama nityam. Similarly, Ovraschu, which is weight dhatu, will get nityam. Similarly, these two dhatus, vasdhatu and kshud dhatu, which are anit, anitaha nityam. Anitaha nityam. So these are the nityam. Itagama nityam bhavati. Then vikalpena for this dhatu, klish dhatu and luk dhatu, vikalpena bhavati. And uditaha, uditova, by that, these dhatus having ukara as it letter will take itagama optionally. It's a long list, these dhatus, where the dhatu having ukara as the it letter will take itagama optionally. Some examples given. Shamsu, Shamsu, who is it letter? The Shams, Shamsitva atava Shastva, Shas, Shasitva atava Shishtva. How Shishtva comes, we will see that later. I think we have seen that. Sha is replaced by E. When haladi kiti pratyaya pare, akara se ikara haresha bhavati, Shishtva. In Nyat pratyaya, I think we have seen, Shish will become, Shas will become Shishya iti. Anyway, then Vridhatu, Varditva and Vridva. Guna also will happen. That we will see, that without exception. Itagama is optional. That is what he says here. That itum, that kittum is negated for some dhatus. We will see that later. Then the next one, halantebhyaha parasya tva pratyasya. The Sara is this anitaha nityam. Anit dhatus will get nit itagama when tva pratyaya follows these two dhatus. Then vet dhatu nityam. Similarly, anchitva artha visheshe puja arthaya anch dhatu will get itagama. And those dhatus which get vikalpa, vikalpena itagama. Udit dhatus, luk dhatu, and klish dhatu. This is the Sara. Then ta and tavatu pratyaya. So among the kit pratyaya, tva pratyaya is tva pratyaya we have done. Then ta and tavatu pratyaya. Kinchit katinaya eva asti. So what happens when for ajanta dhatu, ajanta and halanta, we will divide this into two. So tva pratyaya eva asti vyavastha atrapi. Utsarga is shru yutaha kiti. We are dealing with nishta pratyaya, that's a kit pratyaya. So uganta dhatu and shri dhatu, itagama is negated. And pungascha itagama is optional, vikalpena vidanam chatra atrapi asti. Ataha etasya sarvasya saram saraha evam bhavati. Ajanteshu shing parasya nishta pratyasya itagama itagamaha. Yata shing dhatu nityam itagama bhavati. Nityam itagamaha. Shing dhatu becomes shaitaha shaitavan. Shaitah ta pratyaya, shaitavan tavatu pratyaya. Shing dhatu will take it agama mandatorily. Then vikalpena it agama pungascha. Pungascha, that is vikalpena. Vikalpena it agama bhavati. Therefore, putaha or pavitaha. Putavan or pavitavan iti. Other than this, ajanta dhatus, nya dhatu, ni dhatu, other than this dhatu, etebhyaha anyebhyaha ajantebhyaha parasya nishta pratyasya nittagama na bhavati. Ittagama, it will not take ittagama. The nishta pratyaya will not take ittagama. So nya becomes nyataha, nyatavan. Shri is shrutaha, shrutavan. Shru, shrutaha, shrutavan iti. So up to this we have seen ajanta dhatubhyaha parasya nishta pratyasya ittagama. So shing dhatu will take nittagama mandatorily, pung dhatu optionally, and other than these dhatus, all the other dhatu will not take nittagama. Up to this we have seen. Now starting from here, halanta dhatu sambandha vyavastha we will read. Halantebhyaha parasya nishta pratyasya it agama vyavastha kinchit iva katina vistrata cha. Yes. So nishta pratyaya, in fact, it's a huge coverage there in this, which means relatively compared to other pratyas, the 7 to section coverage is there. So nishta pratyaya special treatment is there. So therefore, it is little elaborate and difficult, he says. Yasya vibhasha, this is one of the sutram. Yasya vibhasha. Vibhasha means optional. One of the sutram in the 7 to section, where ittagama is ordained, negated, optionally given. There the sutram is there. Yasya vibhasha. Vibhasha meaning option. Nava iti vibhasha. Iti sutrena vishishta nisheda vyavastha api utta. Special negation also is mentioned. Yasya vibhasha. Ataha kramena yetam vyavastham avagantum prayasam karavama. So we will try to understand this in a order. Let us see first one. Nityam vasdhatuhu kshuddhatuhu cha anitau. Vasdhatu kshuddhatu. These are anit dhatus. Vas and kshuddh. Anit dhatu. Vasdhatu, you can see it is sakaranta dhatu. Shuddha dhatu, dakaranta dhatu. If you see that halanta dhatu, these are anit dhatus. In the list, you have to go back and see. There are 102 halanta dhatus are there, which are anit dhatus. The list is given. Kantaha, chantaha. You can please refer this book, page number 14. So in that, vasdhatu is sakaranta dhatu, santa dhatu, shuddha dhatu, dakaranta dhatu. These are listed as anit dhatu. So sakaranta dhatu, 2 dhatus are given. Ghas dhatu and vas dhatu. 1 dhatu is vas dhatu. Similarly, dakaranta dhatu, many dhatus are there. The 1 dhatu is shuddha dhatu. These are anit. These 2 dhatus are anit dhatus. Tathapi nishta pratyay pare tayoho setvam bhavati. Nishta pratyaya follows. It becomes set. Tannama tayoho parasya nishta pratyasya it agamaha bhavati. Nishta pratyaya follows this dhatu, vas dhatu and kshuddh dhatu. It will get it agama. So vas and kshuddh dhatu. So these 2 dhatus will take it agama. Nishta pratyaya follows. Okay. Vas plus Ushitaha, Vash plus Ta Pratyaya will become Ushitaha. Being the Kit Pratyaya, therefore, Samprasaranam happens. You get Ush. The Sakara also become Murdanya Shakara. Shattam happens. How Shattam happens, that we will see it later. We know that Apadanta Sakara preceded by in or to will get that Murdanya Desha. Next to that rule is some three dhatus are listed: Vasdhatu, Gasdhatu, and Shasdhatu. The Sakara of the dhatu itself will get Shattam, Murdanya Desha. Anyway, that we will see that later. Only it part only we are focusing. So Vasdhatu will undergo Samprasaranam, become Ush. Sakara also becomes Murdanya Shakara. And the Pratyaya takes Ittahama. So Ushitaha Ta Pratyaya. Similarly, Ushitavan. The focus is only on Vasdhatu is Anit Dhatu. Even though it is Anit, the Nishta Pratyaya follows, it takes Ittahama. Similarly, Shuddha Dhatu. Even though it is Anit, it will take Ittahama. Shuddhitaha, Shuddhitavan iti. Vasu, Vasati, Kshudoho, it 7 to 52. By that, Ittagama is ordained for these two dhatus. Okay. So this is first point. Nityam. Number one, Nityam. That which where Anit were given Setvam mandatorily. That is number one. Halanta dhatu, the Nishta Pratyaya follows. What happens under that? Nityam for these two dhatu. Then the next one. Patita Patitavan. Dvitiya Shita Atita Patita Gata Atyasta Prapta Apannahi. This is a Samasa Vidayaka Sutra. Don't worry about this sutra. It's about Samasa Sutra. This is 2124. Iti Patitaha iti asya prayogat nishtayam tasya setvam bodhavyam. Okay, this is a sutra which is there in the second chapter, the Samasa Vidayaka Sutra. There, the word patita is there. That patita is there. So, patadhatu. Patadhatu is takaranta dhatu, patadhatu. In the list, if you check the halanta dhatus, in the list of halanta dhatus, again, the same book, refer page number 14. That kantaha, chantaha, jantaha, dantaha is there. The list of dhatus, 102 dhatus, halanta dhatu. If you have the PDF file already I sent you, you can open that and see, keep the page number 14 open. There, the takaranta dhatu is not there. You check, you will see it is not there. The list, it is not there. It means takaranta dhatu are not Anit. Takaranta dhatu, this pat dhatu is not there. You can check. Then, but in the sutra, in this sutra, patita, the word is there. So since in this sutra, patitaha, the word is used, therefore, when Nishta Pratyaya follows, patita is Nishta form. Ta Pratyaya is there. So therefore, it is considered to be set. Because the word patita is seen in the sutra, therefore patadhatu is set. The setvam bodhyam, nishtayam prayogat. So nishtayam, nishta pratyaya follows, patadhatu will be a set dhatu. Tani patita daridranam upasankhyanam iti vartikena sani itagamasya vaikalpikatvat yasai bhasha iti sutram yadyapi nishtayam ittagamam nirunadhi tatapi sutra prayogat tasya nishtayam setvam angikriyate. Iti vartikena. By this vartik here, Vartika is that patadatu getting optionally itagama. Here it is yes, Esya Vibhasha, that is Sutram Esya Vibhasha. By that, it is Sutram Iddipi Nishtang Ittagamam Nirunati. So, Vartika says Patadatu will take Ittagama optionally. Iti Vartikena Sani Ittagamasya Vaikalpikatvad Yasya Vibhasha iti Sutram Iddipi Nishtayam Ittagamam Nirunati Tatapi Sutra Prayogat Tasya Nishtayam Setum Angikiriyate. That is, you understand this much. This Patadatu will take Ittagama. Patadatu followed by Nishta Pratyaya. The Nishta Pratyaya will take Ittagama. This is for Patadatu. He is saying that the Vartika and that Yasya Vibhasha, even though the Vartika says that is Sani, when for Sananta, it is ordained optionally Ittagama. But the Yasya Vibhasha by that sutra, Ittagama is negated. Even then, Varta Pratyaya, Ittagama is ordained. So those details not required. This much you understand. Patadatu will take Ittuam. Will take Ittagama. So the three dhatus now will take Ittagama. Vasdhatu, Shuddhadhatu, Patadatu. The Nishta Pratyaya follows, will take Ittagama. That much you noted. So this sutra is mentioning just as a Nyapakam. Panini Maharishi himself has used the word Patita. So that is a Nyapakam. That is a reminder, or that is a what do you call that? That itself is a pramanam to show that Patadatu is a Patadatu, the form, the Nishta form of Patadatu. The Pratyaya will take Ittagama. Only that much. So these three dhatus, Nityam Bhavati. Then Vikalpena. Vikalpena, Klish dhatoho parasya, Nishta pratyasya, Vikalpena, it Bhavati. Klish dhatu. Specifically, sutra is a Klishaha, Tva Nishtayoho. Tva pratyaya we have seen. Klish dhatu, when Tva pratyaya follows, that we have seen Klish dhatu. Now, the same, Tva Nishtayoho, Vaikalpikaha Bhavati. So, as in the Tva, when the Tva Pratyaya follows, Klishdhatu will take Ittagama optionally. That's why we have Klishtva or Klishitva. Similarly, here also, when Nishta Pratyaya follows, Ittagama is optional for this Dhatu, Klishdhatu. Klishtavan or Klishitavan. Klishtavan, Klishitavan. Klishtaha, Klishitaha iti. Klishtaha, Klishitaha is Ta Pratyaya. Klishtavan, Klishitavan, Tavatu Pratyaya. Ta Pratyaya is there, Klishtva, Klishitva. Ta section we have seen. Only for this Dhatu. Tva Nishtayogo, Ittagama, option. Vikalpena Itta Bhavati. So this is a weight. In that sense, it's a weight. For Nishta Pratyaya, Ta Pratyaya follows. This Klish Dhatu is a weight. Taking Ittagama optionally. Therefore, you will have two forms. With no it, you will have Shatvam and then Shtutvam Klishtaha. With Ittagama, Klishitaha. So Ittagama will come for the Nishta Pratyaya, becomes Itaha, then Klish plus Itaha, Klishitaha. Similarly, Tavatu also. Klishtavan, Klishitavan, Klishtavat. The Takaranta you can decline. Klishtavan, Klishtavanto, Klishtavanta. He has given for Pullinga. Shrilinga, Napumsakalinga. We know we can do it. Similarly, Klishitavan iti. This is for Klishtatu. Then the other second one. Can you follow up to this?
Yes, Chief.
Okay. You have to write it in a summary. That's not a bit clear. By just reading this, and at the end we will see the summary. That alone will be enough. We'll see that later. First, let us understand what it is. Read this. Then finally, when the Nishta Pratyaya, Ta Pratyaya follows, because that portion alone is little complicated. Then the next point, number 2, Damu, the Dhatu Artha is given Upashame, Shamu Upashame, Puri. Puri is 10th Gana, Apyayane, Dasu Upakshaye. Then Spasha, Badhane, Chada, Apavarane, Nyapi, Marana Toshana, Vishamaneshu. Iti etebhyaha saptabhyaha nyantebhyaha nijanta dhatu. Dhatubhyaha. So this 7 dhatus, nijanta form of those 7 dhatus, dhatubhyaha paraha, nishta pratyaha vikalpena ittagamam prapnoti. For these 7 dhatus, nijanta form of the 7 dhatus, the nishta pratyaya follows, ittagama is optional. Nijanta form. Nyantebhyaha. Antebhyaha is ni, antebhyaha nijanta. Antebhyaha means not nyat pratyaya, not pratyaya, nijanta rupam of these dhatus. Va, danta, shanta, purna, dasta, spashta, channa, nyaptaha. Dhatus are mentioned. Danta, shanta, purna. Puri, that is the 10th Gana dhatu. Okay. It's ta pratyaya rupam is purna. Think in the ta tavatu, the material what I sent you long back, there you have to make this correction. I think there is a mistake in that. If you remember that ta tavatu different ending, dhatus ending with different letters, halanta, ajanta, we have done. So there, prudhatu, I think for prudhatu, I have given the tap for rupam to be purna. That you have to correct. If it is prudhatu, it becomes purtaha. It should be purdhatu. 10th Gana becomes purnaha. You have to correct the document. I will correct it later. You can note this.
We have taken.
That is what prudhatu is. That is purane. That for that the form would be purtaha. Tarupam would be purtaha. Please note that if you have the document, you can correct it. Prukaranta dhatu, taking ta pratyaya, will be purtaha. Whereas puri, the 10th Gana dhatu, there is a dhatu. So that will give the form purnaha. Okay. This is
Then
all
everything will change.
not
Purtaha, purtam, like that.
Of course, that will change, yes.
Okay.
The declension will change, yes. Okay. Relatively, it will change. Its form alone will change, not other dhatus. Only for this dhatu, the form, you have to correct it. I'll show you later. Okay, that's a separate thing. Let me see. And suddenly I remember that. The tak and tavatu. Now coming back here, damu, its nijanta form will become dam plus nich plus ta pratyaya. Will become dantaha. Here itagama is optional. Dam will become, da will become da. Then dam, then that makara followed by anuswara. It will become the takara. Therefore, nascha padanta sajjali become anuswara. Anuswara is replaced by this yaraha, not yaraha. Anuswara is yai parastavarnaha. That apply, parastavarna rule apply. Dantaha you get. So dam will become, dam plus nich will become dami. Nijanta rupam of dam would be dami. Then ta pratyaya, when you add the dami plus ta pratyaya, you get dantaha. Okay. This is itagama is option. Therefore, dantaha is one form. Then damitaha is another form. We will see how it comes and all later. Other rules will come. Just to know this much. That is, nijanta dhatus, Vijanta Rupam of these 7 dhatus. Vijanta Rupam of these 7 dhatus, when it takes the Nishta Pratyaya, the Nishta Pratyaya will take Ittagama optionally. So we have the forms Dantaha, Shantaha, all these are Nishta Rupam, Vijanta Rupam of the dhatus, having the Nishta Pratyaya and taking no Ittagama, and Damitaha, Shamitaha, optional forms. So Damitaha, Shamitaha, similarly, Purnaha, here you can see Puri plus Nich plus Ta Pratyaya, this is the dhatu. Purnaha it becomes. If it takes Ittagama, it becomes Puritaha. Then thus become Dastaha, Dasitaha. Then Spash, not Spash. Spash becomes Spashtaha, Spashitaha. Shad become Channaha, Chaditaha. Nyap becomes Nyaptaha, Nyapitaha. So these 7 dhatus taking Vijanta Rupam of the 7 dhatus taking Ittagama optionally. Okay. So under this we have seen Klesh dhatu number 1 and this 7 dhatus. 7 plus 1, 8 dhatus. When Ishta Pratyaya follows, Vikalpena Ittvam Bhavati. Okay. Now the third one, Rush dhatu, then Gatyadishu, then Nitvara Sambrame. These are dhatu, Rush dhatu, Rush Roshe, Gatyadishu, then Nitvara, Ni is it letter, Tvara, then it means Sambrame, then Sam Upasargika Gushir dhatu, Avishabdane, A Upasargika Swan dhatu, Manobhidane ityetebhyah dhatubhyah parasya nishta pratyasya ittagama vikalpena bhavati. So 5 dhatus are there, and specifically 2 dhatus with the specific upasarga, sam and a. Ityebhyah dhatubhyah. These dhatus, when it takes nishta pratyaya, the pratyaya will take ittagama optionally. So this is given. Rushya Matvara Sangusha Svana Viti. Rushaha, so Rush will become Rushitaha, Rushtaha. Will become with the Upasarga is given. Abhyamitaha or Abhyantaha. Tvara, Tvaritaha or Turnaha. Sam plus Gush, Sangushitaha, Sangushtaha. A plus 1. Asvanitaha, Aswantaha iti. So these 5 dhatus and these 2 dhatus with this specific upasarga. Sangusha is Sangush. Then Asvanam, A and Swan dhatu having A upasarga. Ang Purvaka Swan dhatu, Sam Purvaka Gush dhatu will take Ittagama optionally. So how many dhatus? 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. These dhatus take Ittagama optionally. So Klish dhatu number 1 and 7 dhatus we have seen. Nijanta dhatus, then this dhatus. Nishta Pratyaya follows, will take Ittagama optionally. And Nityam, we have seen Vasdhatu, Kshuddhatu, and Patadhatu. Will take Ittagama Nityam. When Ishta Pratyaya follows, those 3 dhatus will take Ittagama mandatorily. Just remember. Then the 4th one, Bhave, Adi Karmani Cha. Bhave is Napumsake Bhave Taha. Sutra is there. Then Bhave Ta Pratyaya can be added. And it will be Napumsaka, Bhave Napum, Bhave Taha, Adi Karmani, Taha Kartaricha. Vidyamanebhyaha, Adi Dhatubhyaha, Paraha, Nishta Pratyaya, Vikalpena, Ittagama Prapnoti. Okay. Adit Dhatubhyaha. That is, Yeshu, that Adi Dhatu star mark is there, is given, explain what it is. Yeshu Dhatushu, Akaraha it Sanyakaha Bhavati. te aditaha. Like uditaha, similarly aditaha. Uditaha is ukara is it. Aditaha is akara is it. Like some dhatu, nishvida. Dhatu is nishvida. A is that A is it letter. So those dhatus which have akara as it letter, they are aditaha dhatu. Yes, the first dhatu itself is nishvida, that akara is it letter. Similarly, hurcha, murcha, murcha, spurcha, tuo spurja dhatu. Tu is it letter, O is it letter. Similarly, spurja, that akara is it letter. The content is only spurj. All the other letters are it letter, packing letters. Okay, all these dhatus are adit dhatus, aditaha dhatus. That is, akara is it letter. So what will happen? There is sutra, aditascha. Sutra specifically says these dhatus having akara as it letter. What happens? Akara, aditascha, ittagama will not come. Ittagama is negated for this aditaha dhatu. That is, dhatus having akara. But here what it says is, here it is not given. Adit dhatus will not take ittagama is not given. Maybe it will come later where it is negated. But here what he says is, it is adikarmani. That is adikarmani and in the meaning of bhave. In the meaning of bhave and adikarmani. The meaning of bhave and adikarmani. The aditaha dhatu, that is dhatu having akara as it letter, will be optionally it. It means it will be optionally, it means it will take ittagama optionally only for this akaranta dhatu. So this akaranta dhatu bhave arte adikarmani taha kartari. In that meaning, this akara dhatu will take ittagama optionally. That is what he says here. Okay, there is a specific sutra is that you know this much, it is enough. We will see in later when the context comes that what is this how it is napumsake bhave taha and other things. So this is vibhasha bhava adi karmanoho. Okay, possible I'll explain that also. What is adi karmani and bhave? Bhave means bhavartha, dhatu artha, like the lyut pratyaya and all. It is bhavartha. So just a minute. Adi karmani. Okay. Let me show you an example. What is adi karmani? Sutra not important. Just adi karmani yaha taha vigitaha saha kartari bhavati. So ta pratyaya, which is ordained to adi karma, will be considered to be karta. What is that? Adi bhutaha kriyakshana adi karma. Tasmin adi karmani bhutattvena vivakshite yaha tha vigitaha tasya ayam arthanirteshaha. Prakritam katam devadattaha. Prakritaha taha devadattena. Prakritam devadattena. Prabhuktaha odanam devadattaha. So one minute. Just a minute. Adi Karmani I will explain later with an example. Okay. Here he has not given much detail here. He has not given anything here. I'll explain later what is Adi Karmani and Bhave also. Napumsake Bhaviktaha. Okay, just know this much. This Bhavadi Karmanoho, that Bhava and Adi Karmani Dhatubhyaha, that Bhava in the sense of Bhava and Adi Karmani, this Akaranta Dhatu will take Nishta Pratyaya. The Nishta Pratyaya will have Ittagama optionally. Nishta Pratyaya say Ittagama optionally. Ittagama will be optional. So Nishta Pratyaya Vikalpena Ittagama Prapnoti. Only for this Aditaha Dhatu. Dhatus having Akara as the letter in the meaning of Bhave and Adi Karmani. Okay. Then example is given. Prasveditaha, Prasveditavan, Prasveditam. This is Prasvedita, the dhatu you can see from here. It is Sved dhatu. Nishvida is there. Nishvida. Prasveditaha, Prasveditavan. Similarly, Prameditaha, Nimida dhatu. From that you get Prameditaha, Prameditavan, Prameditam iti. The rupam. So Ittagama is optional. Then this is Vikalpena. The next one. Artha Visheshe Vidyamanebhyaha Kyebhyaha Chit Dhatubhyaha Kyebhyaschit Dhatubhyaha Prasya Nishta Pratyasya Ittagama Bhavati. So Artha Vishesha, the meaning, now depending on the meaning, the Nishta Pratyaya will take Ittagama. Techa Dhatavaha Vishesharthaha Techa Dhatavaha Vishesharthaha Udaharanani cha Adaha Darshitani Santi Vishesha Artha Vinneshu Arteshu Vidyamanaha Nishtantaha Te Dhatavaha Ittagam Na Prapnuvanti. So in the Dhatu in the special meaning, Vishesha Arteshu, then it will take Ittagama. If it doesn't have that meaning, then it will not take Ittagama, he says. Like what you can see here. Anchu Dhatu, Gati Pujanayoho. Anchu Dhatu has the meaning of Gati. Gati is movement. Pujanayoho. Then if it is Pujartha, Pujartha is the Vishesharthaha Pujartha. So Pujarthaha. So therefore, there it is Anchita Asya Guravaha. So Anchu Dhatu taking Ittagama optionally. Therefore, Anchita or Aktaha, two forms are there. So in the Pujartha, Anchu Dhatu can have these two forms, Anchita or Aktaha. Similarly, Lubitaha, Lub Vimoghane. So in the Vimoghana Arte, it will have two forms. Vibhu with V upasarga is given, Lubitaha or Lubdaha iti. Lubitaha has got two meaning, Lubha and Vimoghane. Vimoghane, in the Vimoghane Arte, the Lub Dhatu can take Ittagama optionally. Therefore, Lubitaha, Lubdaha. Similarly, Shak Dhatu, Shakta Dhatu, Shaktau. So here given Shakitaha. Shakitaha is with the Ittagama. Shaktaha is without Ittagama. So Karmarthaha. In the meaning of karma, it can have Ittagama optionally. So Shakitaha is one form, Shaktaha is another form. Similarly, Asdhatu, Asmin Kshepane. So in the Bhavartha, the Bhavartha is Napumsake Bhavektha Pratyaya said. So in the Bhavartha, it will take Ittagama optionally. Therefore, Asitam is one rupam with Ittagama and Astam is another rupam, no Ittagama. So in the middle dhatus are given. The third column is Vishesha Arthas are given. In the first column having the dhatu, the Nishta Pratyaya with the Ittagama. The last column Nishta Pratyaya without the Ittagama. So two forms are possible. This is for these four dhatus. Special artha. Artha with regard to the meaning of the dhatu as well as what the pratyaya mean. Pratyaya generally, the ta pratyaya added in the sense of ta pratyaya bhute karmani. It denotes karma. If it is akarma kadavata, it can denote karta also. Karta. Kartaryati bhavati. So here it says karmartha or bhavartha. Then this shak dhatu, as dhatu will take itagama respectively. So having the form shakitaha, shaktaha, asitam, astamiti. So four dhatus taking itagama optionally. This is also covered in the section. Anchehe pujaya. Anchu dhatu in the sense of puja. Puja arte. Puja arte anchu dhatu. Similarly, lubha vimoghane. The vimoghana arte lubha dhatu will take itagama optionally. Therefore, you have lubitaha lubdaha iti. Okay. Then the other two are the Kashika Vritti has given. Let's leave it. So the next one. Okay. He's giving a long list. We'll quickly read that. The four dhatus, the four is not the list. There are other dhatus. A long list is given. All these dhatus are they are the weight dhatu with regard weight dhatu in the sense depending on the meaning. Shubh dhatu, sanchalane, amantartaha. It will have two forms. Kshubitam or Kshubdam. Similarly, Swanitaha, Swana Shabde, Manobhinnartaha. It will have two forms. Swanitaha, Swantam. Example is given Kshubitam Mantena, Swanitaha, Mridangaha. Similarly, Dwana Dhatu, Dwana Shabde will have two forms. With it, Dvanitaha, without it, Dvanta. Similarly, Laghe, Sankhe, Dhatuartha is Sangha. In that meaning of Asaktartha, it will have two forms. With it agama, Lagitam, without it agama, Lagna. Similarly, Mlecha, Avyakte Shabde, Dhatuartha is Avyakte Shabde. Aspashtartha Bidnaha, in that meaning, Mlechitam or Mlishtam. So, it's a long list, you can see. This is by the Sutra 7 to 18. Shubda, Swanta, Dvanta, Lagna, Lishta, Viribdha, Pantha, Badhani, Mantha, Mana. Yeah, that is the meaning. Mantanarte, Manas, Tamas, Sakta, Vispashta, Swara, Nayasa, Brisheshu. Ityarte, in these dhatus are used in this meaning, it will take Ittagama optionally. So the meaning, depending on the meaning, the Itvam will come optionally. Grishishasi, Vayyatye, all these are the meaning, Visheshartha. Just as listed, but know that much, it's enough. The last one, Prabhu Parivridaha, that is, Dhatu is Vrug Dhatu, with the Pari Upasarga. Vrug Dhatu, Vruddhavarte. So with Ittagama, it will become Pari Vranghitam or Pari Vridaha iti, Rupam Bhavati. So with Ittagama, so that is also given 7 to 21. Okay, so these dhatus, Visheshartha, Arte. Then the next one. Then the list goes, it's a long list. It's about some 23 dhatus are there. Kasha, Imsaya, Kashitam or Kashtam. The word Kashtam comes from this Tapratya, Kashdhatu, Imsaya. Krichra, Gagana, Binhartaha. Krichra Gagana Binnartaha. In that meaning, Kashdatu will take Ittagama optionally. With it, the form is Kashitam. Without it, it is Kashtam. Meaning is, what meaning? Krichra Gagana Binnartaha. Other than this meaning, Krichra Gagana. So like that he has given some 23 dhatus. All these are covered in the 7.2 section. 7.2 before 7.235. Okay, then the next one. Now, all these are Vaikalpika. All these are Vaikalpika. Now, next part is where Ittagama is negated. It Nishedaha. That is being discussed. So, whatever we have seen is not so important. It's not possible to remember everything. Just to know it is there, just knowing, that's it. Dhatu in this special meaning will take Ittagama optionally. That's all, that much. Now, it Nishedaha. Certain important things only I will summarize later. That alone you need to remember. For other thing, you have to see. When the context comes, you have to see what meaning. Or if you see Ishta Rupam, Ishta form of the Dhatu, taking no Ittagama, you should be able to connect to this. That's all. Now, the next one, it Nishedaha. Setam Dhatunam Purataha Stitasya Ishta Pratyasya It Agamaha Bhavet Outsargikataya. So, set dhatu now. When the dhatu is set, Nishta Pratyaya will take Ittagama. That is Utsarga. Because Nishta Pratyaya is Valadi, it will take Ittagama. That is general rule. Kintu, but Setamapi Keshanchit dhatu nam Anitvam Vigitam Nishtaya. Even though it is set, but it will deemed to be anit with regard to the Nishta. Setamapi Keshanchit dhatu nam Anitvam Vigitam Nishtayam. Nishtayam Vivakshaya. When the Nishta Pratyaya follows, the dhatus will be, even though dhatu is set, it will be anit. Tacha anitvam vida vidiyate. Sakshat yasya vibhasha iti anena sutrena cha iti. So the anitvam is ordained to the set dhatu either directly or yasya vibhasha or optionally. So yasya vibhasha is a big sutta. Yasya vibhasha is not only dhatus, not only option, dhatus which are that itvam is negated. Yasya vibhasha. Either the anitvam is ordained directly or it is ordained by the yasya vibhasha. That is what it says. Don't worry about yasya vibhasha and all. It is the anitvam is ordained either directly or indirectly. Sakshat vidhanam, directly. Yeshu dhatushu akaraha itsangika bhavati te uchyante aditaha. Previously we discussed aditaha dhatu. Dhatu having akara as an ith letter. Te chaturdasha, there are 14 dhatus. Already the list was there previously. Nishvida, those dhatus. There are 14 akaranta dhatus. Pashyata Prishtasanya 29, he himself says, please see the page number 29 which we have seen. Tebhyaha parasya Nishta Pratyasa Yittana Bhavati. When the Aditaha dhatu followed by Nishta Pratyaya, the Nishta Pratyaya will not take Ittagama. Aditascha, that is a sutram. By that, Ittagama is negated for Adit dhatus. Aditaha is Akaraha it yasya saha dhatuhu Aditaha dhatu. The dhatu having Akara as ith letter will not support Ittagama when Nishta Pratyaya follows. This is to be noted. Important. Therefore, Nishvida will become, the content is, you have to remove Ni. You have to remove Akara. It's the Adit dhatu. So, Ni, the first letter is ith letter. Then Akara is also ith letter. So, therefore, the The content is svidh. Svidh is a dhatu. Svidh. From that only we get the svedaha, sweater. The word sweat. Svidh means, what's the meaning? Svidh, sweat. So svidh plus ta pratyaya. Being adit dhatu, it will not take ittagama. Therefore, you get svinnaha. The rupam is svinnaha. Svidh plus ta pratyaya, svinnaha. Svidh plus tavatu pratyaya, svinnavat and svinnava. Okay. How the ta pratyaya become nakara and all, that is out of scope here. Here it is not discussed. That we have seen. Now you can see the list in the ishta pratyaya. Ta tavatu form we have given. Chad become channa, bid become binna, shad become shanna. So svidh will become svinna. When ishta pratyaya follows, those rules are there. Ishta pratyaya takara will become dakara, and dakara, the dhatu also, the takara also will become nakara. Padabhyam nishtataha naha. That will apply. That's why you get the word svinnaha, svinnavan. Let us not get into that, otherwise it will go somewhere. So we have to know, just know the form. That is, it will not take ittagama. Ittagama is negated for aditaha dhatu. That is what he says here. This is number one. Here ittagama is directly negated. Sakshat vidhanam. That it nisheda is sakshat vidhanam. It's directly negated. Aditascha na bhavati. Then the next one. Yeshu dhatushu ikaraha itsangitaha bhavati te api uchyante iditaha. Dhatu having ikara as ith letter, they are idit dhatus. So iditbhyaha dhatubhyaha parasya nishta pratyaya se ittagama na bhavati. So idit dhatu also will not take ittagama. That is dhatus having ikara as ith letter, like the sutra is shvidito. That tuvo shvi, that is what shvidito. The tuvo shvi one dhatu is tuvo shvi is a dhatu. Tuvo shvi and dhatu having ikara as ith letter will not support ittagama when an ishta pratyaya follows. What are those idita dhatus? Yes, given a long list. All these are idit dhatus. Dhatus having ikara as ith letter, and shvidit is one more dhatu, tuvo shvi. That one more dhatu, that also to be said. That is why in the sutra it is the shvidito nishtaya. So idit dhatu and the shvi dhatu. Shvi is tuvo shvi, the dhatu. So those dhatus will not support ittagama. So when it doesn't support ittagama, example, yati is ikara the dhatu. Content is yat. Yat plus ta pratyaya, yattaha. Yat plus tavatu, yattavat, yattavan is a rupa. So you get this. Then similarly, O viji. O is ith letter and viji. E is ith letter. The content is which plus ta pratyaya. Which plus ta pratyaya, what will happen? It becomes vignaha. You know, kuttam and all will apply. So you get vignaha or vignavan with ut upasarga is given. Udvignaha or udvignavan. Similarly, dp, E is ith letter, deeptaha, deeptavaniti. So here these dhatus, iditaha dhatus directly. Iditaha dhatus and shvi dhatu. Two things are here. Shvi dhatu and idit dhatu. Ittagama, the nishta pratyaya follows, it will not support ittagama. So this is number one. And adit dhatus we have seen. This is sakshat vidhanam. So adit dhatu and idit dhatu. The next one is yasya vibhasha iti ityasya adharena vidhanam. So yasya vibhasha iti etat kinchana vishesha sutram. This is a special sutram. Tasya tatparyantu, what it says is, kenachit va sutrena yadi kasmachit dhatoho parasya kasyachit pratyasya ittagama yadi vikalpena uktaha syat tarhi tasya dhatoho nishtayam ittagamaha na bhavati. Understand this? Kenachit va sutrena yadi kasmachit dhatoho, any dhatu, any dhatu to which any pratyaya is added, when itagama is ordained for any pratyaya following any dhatu, and that itagama is, if it is optionally mentioned, if itagama is optional, if itagama is optionally ordained for the pratyaya, any pratyaya added to any dhatu, then that dhatu, with respect to nishtha, that dhatu will not take itagama. That is, if a dhatu gets itagama optionally anywhere in the sutra, any rule, if a dhatu gets itagama optionally, then so it is very specific. Dhatoho parasya kasyachit pratyasya ittagama yadi vikalpena uttaha. Dhatu gets the ittagama optionally anywhere, then the dhatu will be considered to be anit with regard to nishtha pratyaya. So anywhere in the shastram means in the sutra pata, anywhere in the sutra pata, if a dhatu is given optional itvam, then the dhatu will become anit with regard to nishtha pratyaya. That is what the meaning of Yasya Vibhasha. Whatever he has written, that meaning is a dhatu which optionally get itagama by any sutra in the shastram will be anit with regard to nishtha. That's what he says. That is the meaning of Yasya Vibhasha. You understand this much? This is what he says here. Tasya dhatoho nishtayam ittagama na bhavati. Example you see, you understand. Etasya sutrasya balat ye anitaha bhavati te uchyante. By this sutra, dhatus which are it will become anit. Those are given here. Svru dhatu. Shabdopa tapayoho vadigana. This dhatu, swarati, is just given the dhatu. Svru dhatu, shung dhatu, dunj, all these 5 dhatus are good. Ityetebhyaha, these dhatus. Ityetebhyaha dhatubhyaha, udidbhyascha, udid dhatu, ukaraha ityasya saha udid dhatu, udid dhatubhyacha parasya, nishtha pratyasya, ittagama na bhavati. Why? Because previously we saw, if you remember, under the dhatu section, Swarati, Suti, Suyati, Dunj, we have seen these 5 dhatus, if you remember. In the same book, under the dhatu section, where the 5 dhatus are listed out under the weight discussion under the dhatu section, we have seen the Swarati, Suti, Suyati, Dhunoti. You remember, or you want to go to the page? You remember the dhatus? These 5 dhatus and udit dhatus.
Yes.
Okay, let me show you. This is page number is 45, but remember this. You go to the same book, the previously under the dhatu section. That page number is
15, I think. Swarati, Suti.
Yes. So that is the one. Swarati, Suti. 15. Yeah. Vetaha kechana dhatavaha vikalpena ittagamam prapnuvanti. We have seen this. Techa vetaha iti uchyante. Some dhatus will take ittagama optionally. What are they? Swaratyadayaha, Swarati, Suti, these 5 dhatus. This is by the sutra is that Swarati, Suti, Suyati, Dhunj. Dhunj in 2 gana, Swadigana as well as Krayadigana, 9th gana, Va. So ittagama is ordained optionally. Therefore, which Trich Pratyaya has given the form, Dota, Davita, all those things. Then Udit dhatus, these 24, Udit, Ukaraha it yasyasaha, dhatu in which Ukara is it. So remember this. So this is what is mentioning here. So Purva we have to remember. So these 5 dhatus, for which the ittagama is optionally ordained, therefore wait, and udit also dhatubhyaha. Since these dhatus are ordained ittagama optionally, with regard to nishtha pratyaya, it will not take ittagama. That is what it says. So, ityetebhyaha, that is these 5 dhatus, dhatu, ityetebhyaha dhatubhyaha, uditbhyascha. Uditbhyaha is that ukara, dhatu having ukara as with the letter. Dhatubhyaha cha parasya nishtha pratyaya se ittagama na bhavati. Even though dhatus are wait, that ittam it is negated with regard to nishtha pratyaya. Okay. Yataha swarati suti suyati dunjodito hova iti sutrena vikalpena it vidanat. By this sutra, the 5 dhatus and udit dhatus are ordained ittagama optionally. But with regard to nishtha pratyaya, that is negated. It will become anit. Therefore, svuru will become svrutaha, only one form. Su become sutaha. With regard to nishtha pratyaya, no ittagama, no optional. It is not wait, it is anit, becomes anit. Du become dutaha iti. Similarly, guk ukaranta udit dhatu becomes gudaha or gudavan iti. Okay, can you follow this? Udit dhatus, the 5 dhatus, which are wait, becomes anit with regard to nishtha pratyaya. Right? Follow this?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, sure.
Yes, Ji.
The next one, gupu. Gupu rakshane. Gup dhatu, gopayati and all comes from this dhatu. It is it will get the aya pratyaya. Anyway, we'll see that later. Gupu rakshane dhatuhu aya adesham prapnoti. It will get aya adesha. Gupu dhupa vichi pani panibhyaha ayaha iti sutrena. Aya desha ragitasya tasya dhatoho ittagama bhavati. Okay, this gupu, we'll see that later. Gopayati is a rupam. Gopayati is one rupam. Gupadhatu will get I pratyaya. So gupu plus I plus, then you can add tip plus D pratyaya, etc. So gup I pratyaya will come. That is gu plus I adhatuka pratyaya. So gu will become go, gopa, gopaya, you get, then gopaya plus ti, gopayati, gopayataha, gopayati, iti rupam bhavati. This is one form. This other form is without I pratyaya. That gupu, whatever gana is, you add the te pratyaya, bring in the gana vikarana. Gopati also form is there. Okay. Gopati. Gopayati, gopati. So now for the gup dhatu, when it gets I adesha ragitasya tasya dhatoho. When it gets I adesha, it will get ittagama. But I adesha ragitasya tasya dhatoho. When gup dhatu doesn't have this adesha, this I adesha, then that dhatu will not take ittagama. I adesha ragitasya dhatu not having I adesha will not take ittagama. Ayadayaha ardha gova iti sutrena ardha vivakshayam ayadeshasya vikalpena vidhanat. So there is here you can see this ayadayaha where this ardha vivakshayam ayadeshasya vikalpena vidhanat. This itvam is negated for this dhatu ayadesha ragitasya when it doesn't have ayadesha ragitasya not there. So dhatus, this dhatu gup dhatu, not only gup dhatu, the list is given gupu dhupa vichi pani panibhyaha ayaha the pratyaya is ordained for these dhatus. So ayadesha ragitasya tasya dhatoho. So dhatu having no ayadesha will not take ittagama. It means dhatus having ayadesha will take ittagama. Right? So ayadesha sati गोपाय इत्यस्य उपदेशे धातुपाठे अपाठात् तस्मात् तस्य इट् निषेधः न। अतः गोपायितः गोपायितवान् इति रूपम्। आयादेशः अभावपक्षे गोप् इत्यस्य उदित्वात् अन्यत्र विकल्पः इत्यतः निष्ठायां निषेधः गुप्तः गुप्तवान् इति। So the gup dhatu is gup dhatu. When it gets ayadesha, the form would be gopaya, gopayati, etc. The form would be. When it doesn't take ayadesha, it becomes gopati, gopataha, like that form would be there. Okay, this is just a tingantah rupam. Fine. Now with regard to nishta, what happens? It says I adesha abhava pakshe. When I adesha is not ordained to gup dhatu, and gupu, the dhatu is gupu, udit dhatu. Udita dhatu, we have seen before, udit dhatus will have ittagama optionally. Because optionality is ordained for gup dhatu, with regard to nishtha pratyaya, it will be anit. Therefore, the rupam will be guptaha guptava. There is no optionality here for here. With regard to nishtha pratyaya, gup dhatu will not have optional form. That is, it is not wait, it is anit. So, because dhatu is gupu dhatu, udit dhatu. Because it is udit dhatu, ittagama is optional. But with ittagama is optional. But with regard to nishtha pratyaya, ittagama is, because it is optional, therefore with regard to nishtha pratyaya, that option, nishtha pratyaya, that gup dhatu will be deemed to be anit. It will not take ittagama. Therefore, guptaha guptavan iti rupam. This falls into the category what we have seen before. Like this here. Like this here. What it here says, dhatu, which are it optionally by some sutra, with regard to nishtha pratyaya, it will become anit. The same thing is applied here. Gup dhatu, because it is gupu udit dhatu, therefore it is wait dhatu. Being wait, with regard to nishtha pratyaya, what will happen? It will be anit. Therefore, guptaha guptavan iti, only one form would be there. This is one. Then this is I abhava pakshe. Then I bhava pakshe kim bhavati. I bhava pakshe kim bhavati. So ayadesha ragitasya tasya dhatoh ittagama na bhavati. So for that example is guptaha guptavan. Ayadesha ragitasya ittagama na bhavati. Ayadesha ragitasya tasya dhatoh ittagama na bhavati. Ayadayah ardhatukyeva iti sutrena ardhatu vivakshayam ayadeshasya vikalpena vidanat. Okay. Ayadeshe sati gopaya ityasya upadeshe dhatupate apatat tasmat parasya it nishedaha na. Therefore, gopayitaha gopayitavan iti rupam. So, in the case of ayadesha, ittagama is not negated. Therefore, you will have optional form when the gup dhatu as the I adesha. Only with regard to abhava, I adesha abhava pakshe only, that ittam is negated. That's what he says, guptaha guptavaniti. Okay, this is only for this. Then, the next one. Ish dhatu, shak dhatu, lub, rush, rish. The same 5 dhatus. Already we have seen the context of tva, etc. Ityetebhyaha panchabhyah dhatubhyah parasya nishtha pratyasya ittagama na bhavati. Ittagama will not come for this 5 dhatus when nishtha pratyaya follows. Tisha, saha, lubha, rusha, rishaha iti sutrena takarado vadhatike pare vikalpena ittagamasya vigittatvat. These 5 dhatus, from the beginning we have been seeing these 5 dhatus are wait dhatu. When takaradi pratyaya follows, it will take itagama optionally. Because it takes optionally, that optionality is mentioned. Therefore, with regard to Nishta Pratyaya, it becomes anit. With regard to Nishta Pratyaya, it is no more optional. It is optional in some other context. That is only required for negating the optionality with regard to Nishta Pratyaya. That is the meaning of the word, the sutra, Yasya Vibhasha. Anywhere in the sutra that itagama is optionally ordained, that optional ordainment is negated with regard to Nishta Pratyaya. Therefore, these 5 dhatus will not take itagama. So, therefore, ish will become ishtaha. There is no ishitaha, the form is not there. Ish plus ta, these are important dhatu, we use it frequently. Ish plus ta pratyaya becomes ishtaha. Ish plus tavatu will become ishtavan. Similarly, sah becomes sodaha, sodavan. Lubdaha, lubdavan. Rushtaha, rushtavan. Rishtaha, rishtavan iti rupam. Then, okay, these 5 dhatus, we are much familiar with the 5 dhatus because from the very beginning we are seeing the takaradi pratyaya follows. These 5 dhatus take itagama. In the case of trich, trin, and tuman and all, we have seen having 2 forms. These dhatus having 2 forms we have seen when takaradi pratyaya follows. In the case of this tuman, we have seen that ish will become yeshtum, yeshitum, and sak becomes sodum, sagitum. Their optionality is there. Here it is not there. So in other words, you can see like this. You add the other pratyaya, takaradi pratyaya, tuman pratyaya, trich pratyaya, etc. You see the forms, whether it has got 2 forms, with itagama, without itagama. If it has 2 forms in that context, with regard to other pratyayas, with regard to Nishta pratyaya, it will not have two forms. It means it will not take itagama. So, because ish dhatu has got yeshitum, eshtum, rupam, with regard to tum. With regard to ta pratyaya, it will have only 1 form with no itagama, ishta. You can understand that way. It is easy to understand like that. Similarly, sodum, sagdhatu, sodum, sagitum. 2 forms are there. Tum pratyaya. With regard to ta pratyaya, it will not have 2 forms, only sodaha. Right? So these 5 dhatus. The next one. Div, shtiv, siv, sriv. See, as I told before, I don't expect you to remember everything. Just covering what is there. Final, very shortened summary. That alone you remember. Useful. Other times, whenever you do the form, you have to refer this. Refer this, whether it will take itagama or not. What is that? You have to see. Only with regard to Nishta pratyaya, you have to be little careful. Whereas other pratyayas, no problem. Adhatukasya valadi it bhavati. That is utsarga. Only with regard to Nishta, it's a lot of information is there. So next one, number 4. Dev, shtiv, siv, then sriv, ityadeha. Ivantaha. Ivantaha means iv is the anta. Yeshamante iv asti. Te ivantaha. Ending with iv letter. Similarly, rudu, dambu, nyap, san, ityetebhyaha dhatubhyaha parasya nishta pratyasya itagama na bhavati. So this 4 plus 4, 8 dhatus. It is given by the sutra sani, vantardha brasya, dambu, shris, vasru, yurnu, bharagnyati sanam. Iti sutrena. It's important. Sani itagamasya vikalpena vidhanat. What is sani? Sani means sananta. When san pratyaya follows, for these dhatus, itagama is optionally ordained. Therefore, with regard to ta pratyaya, this itvam is negated. But understand. With regard to san pratyaya, when san pratyaya follows, san pratyaya is sanadi, sanadyanta pratyaya. San pratyaya, icharte san, and all it is that san pratyaya. It's ardhatuka pratyaya. Let us understand like that now. San pratyaya follows, these dhatus will take itagama optionally. Rule is there. Because itagama is optionally ordained. Therefore, with regard to ta pratyaya, that is negated. Therefore, it is anit. In this context, with regard to nishta context, it is anit. That's what it says here. So, div, shtiv, siv, sriv, ityadeha ivantaha, ridu, dambo, nyapsan, ityebhyaha, ityetebhyaha dhatubhyaha parasya nishta pratyaya itagama na bhavati. Kimartam na bhavati? Because sani itagamase vikalpena vidana. These dhatus, when followed by san pratyaya, will take itagama optionally. It is ordained. It is ordained somewhere. So therefore, it is in this context, it will not take itagama. Etad atra smartavyam. Svr, yu, urn, br. Iti ete ukantaha. Ukantaha is ukara is it. Ataha, we have seen this. Shriyukaha kiti iti anena it agama nishedaha. Ukanta and Shri Dhatu. When kit pratyaya follows, itagama is negated. We have seen this. This is another important negation. Okay. Brashd dhatoho anitta ekachaha iti sutrena. Brashd dhatu is anit because it is ekach anudata. Therefore, it is anit. Ataha eva sanivantaha iti sutre Shri swastra pravatinam antarbhave satyapi vivarana avastare atrate na upataha iti. That is, svru, yu, urn, bru, these are uganta dhatu. Being uganta, therefore, itagama is negated. Itagama is negated for this dhatus. Then brash dhatu, it is ekach anudata, therefore, it is anit. Therefore, sanivantaha, when san pratyaya, sanivantaha is that which has san, sanivantaha. Sanivantaha, that sutra is mentioning. Sanivantaha, the brasja, that the long sutra, 7 to 49. Iti sutre, Shri Svru Pravartinam Antarbhave Satyapi Vivarana Avasare Atra Te Api Na Upataha. So, when the Sananta Pratyaya follows for this Shri Svru, etc., it will take itagama optionally. It will take itagama optionally. Those things are not covered. Why? Because by Shri Yukaha Kiti, the sutra itself negates when a kit pratyaya follows Shri Dhatu and Uganta Dhatu, itagama is negated. That will apply here. When Sananta pratyaya follows, it will take itagama optionally. But directly itself, the Shri Dhatu and Uganta Dhatu and kit pratyaya follows, itagama is negated. Therefore, te na upataha, those are not brought in here, he says. I don't know whether you follow this. If you don't follow, don't worry. You only know this much. That is, the dhatus in the number 4, div, shtiv, siv, sriv, this 4 dhatu, and ridu, dambu, nyapsan, these dhatus. These dhatus in sananta, when sananta pratyaya follows, itagama is ordained optionally. Because it is ordained optionally somewhere for some other context, here with regard to nishta pratyaya, it will not take itagama. Now, that is one thing. Then Uganta dhatu and Shri dhatu. Anyway, when kit pratyaya follows, for that itagama is negated. We have seen this. I specifically mentioned this in the word file also, if you remember. Shri dhatu and Uganta dhatu, when followed by kit pratyaya, itagama is negated. So, therefore, Uganta dhatu or Shri dhatu, when nishta pratyaya follows, nishta pratyaya is a kit pratyaya. So, itagama is negated. Therefore, those things need not be covered here. But he says here, even that brash dhatu and Shri dhatus are there in the list. And they are, when Sananta Pratyaya follows, Ittagama is ordained optionally. So, but directly the sutra itself negates. Therefore, those things are not covered here, he says. Anyway, okay. Don't worry about that. I explained that. It's little complicated, that one. Not much. Anyway. So next, the example is see, Dev plus Ta Pratyaya. Samprasanam will happen. Dyunaha, Dyunavan. No Ittagama. Because when San Pratyaya follows, Ittagama is ordained optionally. Therefore, with regard to Ta Pratyaya, it is negated. So no Itvam. Nyap becomes Nyaptaha, Nyaptavan. Siv becomes Syunaha. Then Syunav, Syunavan. San becomes Sataha, Satavan iti. This is number 4. Okay, this. Then number 5. Nir upasarga sahitasya. Nir upasarga sahitasya kushdhatoho. This we have seen in the beginning itself. Kushdhatu having nir upasarga. Parasya nishta pratyasa ittagama nabhavati. Why? Because niraha kushaha ittagama is ordained optionally. This also in the beginning we have seen the context of dhatu. Dhatu having dhatu kush dhatu having nir upasarga will take ittagama optionally. This is only for one dhatu, so it's not so important. Because ittagama is optional, here it is that optionality is negated. Therefore, it is anitvam, no ittagama. Only one form. Nishkushtaha, nishkushtavan iti rupam bhavati. This is number 5. Number 6. Yeshu dhatushu ukaraha it sanyakaha bhavati. Saha udit iti uchyate. We know this. Ukara it isya saha udit dhatus. Etadrishebhyaha uditbhyaha parasya nishta pratyasa ittagama na bhavati. Because udito va dhatu having ukara as ita letter will take ittagama optionally. Will take ittagama optionally. The rule is that we have seen that also in the class section. The class section we have seen tvayam vikalpena ittagama vidhanat. Therefore, with regard to nishta pratyaya, it is negated. So sham plus tva. Sham plus in the case of tva pratyaya for sham dhatu. Sham dhatu in the case of tva pratyaya, the sham, dam, varish, if you see, ittagama is ordained optionally. Ittagama is ordained optionally. So therefore here ittagama is negated. Because ittagama is ordained optionally, therefore here it is negated. That sham, dam, vrish, etc. So uditova iti sutrena tvayam vikalpena ittagama vidhanat. So when tva pratyaya, tva is a kit pratyaya. With regard to that, dhatus having ukara as ita letter will take ittagama optionally. Iti, that mentioning is there in the Shastram. Therefore, with regard to nishta pratyaya, it will not take optional itvam. That is, itvam itself is negated. So shamu becomes shantaha. Shantavan iti. Damu, dantaha, dantavan. Vrish, vrishtaha, vrishtavan. Asu, that is sas. All are udit dhatus. Astaha, astavan iti. Then next one, number 7. Krit, chrit, chrid, trid, nrit, ityetebhyaha panchabhyaha dhatubhyaha parasya. After the 5 dhatus, when nishta pratyaya follows, ittagama na bhavati. Why? Because se, asichi, krita, chrita, chridha, tridha, nritaha iti sutrena. Sadi pratyasya vikalpena it vidhana. Sadi pratyaya means when sakaradi pratyaya follows, for this 5 dhatus, ittagama is optionally ordained. Somewhere in the Sutram, 7 to 57. Therefore, these 5 dhatus, with regard to nishta pratyaya, will not take ittagama. Therefore, krit becomes kritaha, kritavan, only one form. One is ta pratyaya form, other one is tavatu pratyaya form. Similarly, chrit becomes chritaha, chritavan, nrit becomes nirtaha, nirtavan, chrit becomes chritaha, chritavan, tritaha, tritavan iti. Only one rupam will be there, no itagama. Then the number 8, vidale labhe, vittaha vittavan, only one rupam. Why? Labhartakasya vididhato parasya nishta pratyasya itagama na bhavati. Vidale in the sense of labha. Because vididhatu, it is in 5 ganas. So where it is in this sense, labhe, labharte, then itagama will not come for the nishta pratyaya. Vibhasha gamahana vida visham iti sutrena tudadi ganiyasya vida dhatoho parasya nishta pratyasya it nishedhat. Vibhasha gamahana iti sutre gamahana विषयधातवः अंतर्भूताः सन्ति तथापि ते अनिटः एव इत्यतः विवरणावसारे तेन उपाताः अत्र. Okay, so here it is labhartaka viddhatu is it is tudadiganiyasya viddhatoh parasya nishta pratyasya it itah nishedat ittahava iti sutrena. Here in this tudadiganiyasya viddhatoh, tudadi is 6th gana. The viddhatu in this sutra, the viddhatu nishta pratyasya ittahama nisheda. So gamahana vidya visham, here the viddhatu is, it is 6th gana. 6th gana tudadiganasya, where the ittahama is negated. Okay, let us read further. It's given, explain more. Vididhatavaha chatvaraha. It is in 4 gana. Adadiganiyaha, divadiganiyaha, tudadiganiyaha, ruddhadiganiyaha, chaiti. Vibhasha gamahana, that sutra, iti sutrena cha, tudadiganiyasi eva anittam vihitam. Only tudadigana is to the only for the tudadigana, the itagama is negated. Divadiganasya to aniteva. Divadigana dhatu is aniteva. Adadi, rudadiganiyav, setav. Adadigana and rudadigana, these are set dhatu. Therefore, etebhyaha apavadebhyaha anyatra outsargikam it agama niyamam avalambya it karaniyaha. So, etebhyaha apavadebhyaha anyatra. So, in other places, we have to consider the utsarga and accordingly, we have to ordain itagama, he says. So, the point is here is this, the vididhatu in the sense of labharta, nishta pratyaya na bhavati. Nishta pratyaya na bhavati for vididhatu. Okay, that is what he says. Other point, leave it out. Other than this, the etebhyaha apavadebhyaha, itagama will not come for the vididhatu in the labharta. So, excepting that, in other places, whatever the utsarga is there, that itagama will come. If the dhatu is anit dhatu, itagama will not come. The dhatu is set dhatu, itagama will come. Only for this dhatu, vididhatu, in the sense of labha, with regard to nishta pratyaya, itagama is negated. That is the saramsha of this. In other places, itagama will come. You have to apply in keeping with the dhatu, the utsarga rule, and itagama niyamam. Whatever the niyama is there, in keeping with that. If itagama, the dhatu is said dhatu, itagama will come. If it is anit, itagama will not come. Only for this dhatu vidlu, labharte, itagama is nishedaha. Then, this is the Sara. Alanta dhatu bhyaha parasya nishta pratyasya hit vyavastha. Halanta dhatu. Ajanta dhatu, we have seen now halanta dhatu, the condensed thing is vas dhatu, shuddha dhatu, and pat dhatu will take itagama mandatorily. Vikalpa for klish dhatu and this damu, that damu shamu, those dhatus. And Rushya Mat Varadina, that Rushya, those dhatus also we have seen Vikalpa. And that Vikalpa we have seen that those dhatu rush, with two dhatus with the upasarga and all. So those dhatus will get vikalpa adesha. Then artha visheshe, long list we saw, anchu pravruti namit, anchu etc. So artha visheshe itagama will come optionally, vikalpena. Artha visheshe, in that meaning itagama will come. Other than that meaning itagama will not come. Or depending on the rule. If artha vishesha is there, then itagama will come. So then where itagama is negated, itagama negated by two ways it is negated. One is saksha directly. Adit dhatu and idit dhatu. Itagama is negated. By yasya vibhasha, that is optional. That itagama where it is optionally given anywhere in the sutra pata. With regard to nishta pratyaya, it is negated. For that only the long thing we have seen. Swaratyadinam uditaha isha sakhadinam divadinam niraha kushaha uditam kritadinam vidaha labhartakasya. So these points are the quick summary of what we have seen. Then the next one is Smaranaya Sangraha Ayam. It's good, quick summary. You can see. Anitaha Dhatavaha Ajanteshu Shvi Shri Prabhrittibhyaha Dvadashabhyaha Anye Udantebhyaha Rudantebhyaha Chanye Swaratyadibhyaha 36 Vedhatubhyaha Anye Cha Dhatavaha Anitaha. We have seen this at Karika Visa. So Shvi Shri Dhatu, Udit Dhatu, Rukaranta Dhatu, and Swa, etc. Those dhatus, and 36 Ved dhatus. Excepting those dhatus, all the other dhatus which are Ekaj, Anudata Swara, they are Anit dhatus. So this is Sangraha, summary has given quick summary. Then Halanta dhatu, we have seen that 102 dhatus, those are Anit. So Anit is mentioned. So rest are Itta dhatus. So accepting these dhatus, Ajanta and Halanta, the rest are Set. This is regard to dhatu. Then Ittagamaha, Outsargikaha, Tak Tavatu, Tva Tumuntavya Tavya Truch, Trun Itiete, Ashto Prasiddhaha Krit Pratyaha. Only this is important Krit Pratyas. Tasadayaha Saptaha Aprasiddhaha Kritaha Cha. Itaham Arganti. Other pratyas, tas, etc. Tas and all will come in lut and all other lakaras, etc. and ashiling and all. Those are not prasiddha. So therefore it is not discussed here. We have to discuss that also. If that also discussed, it will go for more class. So that are not discussed here. Only krit pratyas are discussed. Important pratyas, the two. So itagama visheshaha. When trich pratyaya follows, tuman pratyaya follows, tavyat iti we have seen. When trich pratyaya follows, trichi pare sarve setaha dhatavaha ittagam prapnuvanti eva. When trich follows, all the set dhatus will take ittagama because trich is valadi, dhatu is set, ittagama avashyam bhavati. Tumun also, tumuni pare sarve setaha dhatavaha ittagam prapnuvanti eva. Tum being a valadi, when set dhatu is followed by tum pratyaya, will get ittagama. If it is anit, then no itagama. That understood. Ishadeha panchatu vikalpena. Here we have to remember that Isha, the 5 dhatus, will take itagama. Optionally, Ish dhatu will become Eshitum, Eshtum. We have seen those 5 dhatus. We have to remember here. Then Tavyat. Tavyati Tavye Parecha Sarve Seta Dhataha Itam Prapnuvanti. Tavya pratyaya follow, when it follows the set dhatu, will get itagama. So here also you have to remember Ishadeha, that Ish, etc. Those 5 dhatus will take itagama optionally. Up to this, very simple. Then Tva. From here only the Kit pratyaya starts. Tva pratyaya, Nishta pratyaya. Tva pratyaya pare. Setsu, Ajanta Dhatushu. Ajanta Dhatu, which are Set Dhatu. Shvi, Ding, Shing, Juru, Iti Ete Dhatavaha, Nityam, Itam Prapnuvanti. When Tva Pratyaya follows Ajanta Dhatu, Shvi, Ding, Shing, Juru, it will get Ittagama always. Pung Dhatu, Pung Vikalpena, Anyebhyaha itna. Pung dhatu will take ittagama optionally with regard to ta pratyaya. Other dhatus will not take. So it's a quick summary. So tva pratyaya pare setsu ajanta dhatushu. Then shvi, ding, shing, jur iti ete dhatavaha. Nityam itam prapnuvanti. These 5 dhatus will take ittagama mandatorily, and pung dhatu will take ittagama optionally. Other dhatus will not take ittagama when tva pratyaya follows. Tva pratyaya pare setsu halantebhyaha sarvebhyaha iti krite na doshaha. So whereas when halanta dhatu, for halanta dhatu, ittagama will come. Iti krite na dosha, there is no dosha in bringing the ittagama, he says. For what? For the set dhatu. Set dhatu, set halanta dhatu followed by tva pratyaya will bring in ittagama. And tavatu, tatavatu pratyayoho parayoho, ado nirdishtaha shlokaha smartabhyaha. You have to remember this shloka, he says. Whatever we discussed, that is condensed here. Ishta sodo tushta rushto, rishto vitto nirakpushaha, hriddadabdo nyapta satu, ivanta dhyuna adayaha, krutta chruttau chatta truttau, nirto guptas tatoditaha. Anidanta smrta yasya vibhasha sutrakaranat aditas cheditas sakshat nishtaya anitaha smrtaha iti. So what we discuss, it is condensed in the form of this shloka. We don't have to go back and see what it means. Already we have seen. So here it is. Although this type, if you remember this shloka, it is covered everything. Ishta, ishtatu, sagdatu, that 5 dhatus, ittaha, niraha, kushaha, kimbhavati, ittagama is negated. Yes, last one is niraha, kushaha, we have seen. That is kush dhatu with the nir upasarga, kush dhatu with the nir upasarga. We have seen that what will happen? Nir Rupam we saw, nir plus kush. It is putra. Just now we saw that. What is the form? Nir plus nishkushtaha, something we have seen. Nishkushtaha, something we have seen. Okay. So there ittagama is negated. So he is saying ishta, sodo, those forms are given. So those ittagama is negated. Ishdatu, then sagdatu, tushdatu, rushdatu, rishdatu, vitto nirakpushaha iti. So you can connect with what we have discussed, and you can remember this shloka. Just note this shloka. Shloka is a condensing what we have discussed so far. Then riddha dabdo nyapta sato ivanta duna adayaha. What is that riddha? Riddha dabdo. Riddha dabdo is that we have seen. That is for this riddha dabdo, rid and riddha dabdo nyapta sabdo ivantaha. Ivantaha is just now we saw dhatu ending in ivanta. Kutra asti? 1 minute. You have to see that ridu dhatu we have seen. Ridu, dambu, nyap, san, those dhatus he is talking about. Dhatu bhyaha parasya nishta itagama na bhavati. Similarly, ivantaha is div, shtiv, siv, sriv. So those 8 dhatus are covered. Okay, those 8 dhatus are covered. Ivantaha dyuna adeha. That div becomes, div is ivanta, that becomes yuna. So yuna adeha. Yuna just, by saying that is, he says that doesn't have itagama. Div dhatu plus ta pratyaya will become dyuna. So ivantaha dyunaha. So then next one is that rid, dambu, nyap, and sun. Those dhatus, 4 dhatus, and even the dhatus. Itagama is negated. Then kritta chrittau, chatta trittau, nirto. These 5 dhatus. Kritta dhatu, chritta dhatu, chird dhatu, trud dhatu, and nirt dhatu. Just we have seen now. The point number 7. So these dhatu, when sakaradi pratyaya follows, itagama is ordained optionally. Therefore, with regard to nishta pratyaya, it is negated. Then guptas tato ditaha, gupdhatu. Gupdhatu, that gupdhatu we saw, that gup rakshane. So there also guptaha tata uditaha. Uditaha is udidhatu. Udidhatu also ordained optional itvam. Therefore, with regard to nishta pratyaya, it is negated. It says. Then anit dantaha smrtaha. These are to be remembered as anit. Anidantaha yasya vibhasha sutra karanat. Why? Because of the sutram yasya vibhasha. That yasya vibhasha we saw that that is that which is ordained optional it is with regard to nishta pratyaya is negated. That which gets optional it is negated by this sutram yasya vibhasha with regard to nishta pratyaya. So yasya vibhasha sutra karanat anidantaha smrtaha te sarve. All these things they are considered to be anit. Then aditaha dhatu, iditaha dhatu. Aditas chedita means aditaha dhatu, iditaha dhatu. Sakshat ishtaya anitaha smrtaha. The first 4 lines, the first 3 lines, they are anit with by yasya vibhasha. By sakshat vibhasha is adit dhatu and aditascha cheditascha idit dhatu. Aditaha idit dhatus, they are sakshat nishtayam anitaha smrtaha. Directly that itvam is negated. Iti. So this is a good shloka. You can remember. Quick summary of what we have seen. Okay. Then he has given the it vyavastha sambandhani sutrani. That not required now. It is when we see sutra, that we will see. Then halanteshu anidhatu sangraha. Oh, that already we have seen. Alanta dhatu chaturdashe. Those 108 dhatus are there. Those dhatus are given in the form of the karika here. The shak dhatu, kakaranta dhatu. So like that is given. The karika, from that only the list is given. So that you can note. So alanta sambandha shlokaha kashikaya yata. In the kashika, the shloka is there. It is okay. This is a long one, not required. You can refer that always. The chart, the table. Kantaha, shakle, shak, dhatu. All those things he has given. You can just go through the dhatus. I think pantaha, shantaha. All the lists already been covered. That's it. With this, the itta prakaranam is over. In the next class, I will try to give a simple summary to a word file. Let us see. I'm preparing, but not yet done. Once it is done, I'll send you. Okay. So with this, its section is done. Last exercises for practice. You can practice or we can do it later. Okay. So you can practice this. Maybe in the next class, we can do this. The practice will help us to recall whatever we have seen, all these forms. Okay. So we can do that in the next class. So it agama, it section is over. Literally it is over. So that it will be useful when we do the study the infant reader, when we are deriving different forms for dhatu, tinganta as well as kardanta rupa. After this, we'll take up natva nijanta. We will start, we'll continue with infant reader, then natva nijanta that I will introduce. Natvam and nijanta. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Or this, how about this? Is it difficult to understand? Or if any doubts are there, you can ask. Yes.
Just got to see it again, Sharanji. As such, I don't think.
Abhyasa, when we do, we can refer this, then we will come to know. We can connect when we do the forms of Kridanta, Nishta Pratyaya and all, then at that time we can refer to this. And this is a very good summary, this chart which I sent you. This you can keep it when you do the Kridanta form. When you do the Nishta, when you do the Nikrit Pratyaya, you can keep this. This will be useful. Okay.
Sharanji, you sent this chart?
I sent you, yes, before I sent you.
This chart, I
This
think.
chart, I don't think we have.
Only
Sharanji.
that Hitagama, that.
Yeah.
I will not send this. Okay, I'll send you.
Yes. Thank you, Sharanji.
This chart is also good. It summarizes. Small mistake is there, but it's okay. Not a big mistake. You can use this. I'll send you this chart also. Okay, we can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. I know this Itagama is little complicated. That's why I was trying to avoid this as much as possible. But anyway, for the sake of completion, I have taught you the whole thing, whatever is there. You will understand as much as possible. Not that everything you should need to remember. As I said, I will give you a summary. Further condensed summary, if possible, I will give. That will be useful. Let us see. Okay. Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada, Sharanji.
Dhanyawada, Vijay.